Hey YouTube, it's me, Julian. Here's a zoom in, new for 2018. There's the card art. Works with GoPro. I'm sure most of you already know what this thing is, but basically it's a GoPro compatible with the Hero session, or I think it's just the GoPro session. Does it say back there? You know, let's go to, oh, there's Hero 5 session. But go ahead and pause and read that if you want to. So there it is. This is the second Recolor. The previous one was black, this one's white. Basically, put the GoPro in there. It's like an arrow telling you the front is this side, the back's that side. It's pretty cool. So metal base there, plastic body. Very, very cool. It's actually pretty wide, but I guess they designed it so it'll fit in the track. Well, I mean, not, I don't guess, but that's the way they did it. Definitely designed it to fit in the track, of course. And since it's bottom heavy, it should work pretty good. But anyways, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.